Hello you guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name's Kailina or Kai if you are new here. Today I'm going to be doing a what's in my makeup kit. What I use to bring all my makeup when I'm traveling to a client. Sometimes I keep it here at home when I have at-home clients. I do have a client tomorrow, but that's not until 3 o'clock and that's also an at-home client. Usually for my at-homes, I have a utility cart that I got from IKEA and I'll use that instead. But right now it's kind of being used as storage. So I'm not really gonna clean that. I'm probably just gonna work out of my bag tomorrow. I will say that I might not have the best top-notch high-quality products, but I'm using products that work for me and that work for my clients right now. Also, if you are a beginner makeup artist or you're just starting out, or if you're a pro MUA, I hope you guys can learn some things from this video, some products that I use, and you can try them out. I will also say that right now I'm pretty sure my bag is a tornado. It's a mess because after my last clients, sometimes I'm in a hurry and I have to travel to another client, or I'm just in a rush and I throw everything into my bag. So we'll organize it and we'll just be going through the bag now. So I literally cannot see like what I'm doing here. I'm gonna have to just keep looking at the camera. Okay, so as you guys can see, it is a pretty unorganized. So here I have my brush belt. Clearly these brushes need to be washed, so we're gonna take this out and we're gonna wash the brushes later. I do have my James Charles palette, which I kind of carry around. It's a mess, but I carry this one around when I know that I'm doing makeup for a client and they want colorful eyeshadows. And then I also have a lip mix kit. This comes with like pretty much all the neutral shades of lipsticks from MAC. This one is actually a Z palette. I took out some of the shadows that were already in here, and then I added my blush inserts from MAC, which I kind of feel like I should just buy the actual palette for it. I just keep it in here because I don't know where else to put it. I also usually carry just like a cloth for the table when I'm setting the makeup. I also carry my contour palettes. I have about 5 of these. I have, and they're from Juvia's Place. And then also pick out palettes according to what I'm using for my clients. So like, I'll use this Juvia's Place one because it has more neutral colors. Oh, here's another contour palette. Actually, wait a minute. Oh my god, this was the one that I thought I lost. Sometimes I'll just choose like a palette that has some shimmers, just because you never know when a client wants shimmer or glitter. Now I pretty much have my foundations in like both of these. I don't really carry this one with me that much unless I have like a wedding and I don't know like the exact skin tone colors. I try to bring all of my samples. Even though I do have like the full size foundations, I just pretty much make samples when I'm working. But so far I feel like I have every single shade, so I don't really have to worry about it. I use the Studio Fix Fluid Foundation for almost everyone right now because that's all I can pretty much afford. It really helps when you work at a makeup store or counter where you get a discount. So I feel like I do need pumps for these, but since I travel with them a lot, these are fine for now. I use a spatula to take out foundations. I use the Pro Longwear concealers. It is a lot of coverage and you don't need a whole lot of. I tend to go through my kit and then I pick and choose what products I need from my vanity because I have so many drawers, so many things in them. Some loose brushes. I'm just gonna take everything out of here so that way when we go back to organize it, we can clean all the palettes and everything that's in here. This side here, I usually just put lashes in. I have not bought any lashes in a while. I usually get mine from Tati Lashes. But for now, I just have these ones from Amazon, and then I have these ones from my cosmetics brand that I never really got to launch. You guys can see that I tried to organize this. I pretty much laminated these little signs and then I tried to hot glue gun them. It looks kind of ugly and everything's out of place. Maybe I should just show you guys when I organize it. In this big zipper, I pretty much tried to keep all of the primers, powders. Probably just gonna clean this out. This is just not ideal. I'm gonna clean my products first, and then I'm gonna record everything that I put in here. So I pretty much cleared out my makeup kit. I'm not sure how to like wash the actual kit itself. I'm pretty sure I have to wash it in a washer or dryer or something. Pretty much just kept the lashes in here just because I don't really have a whole lot of lashes. I need to order some. I think on this side, I'm gonna keep to what I was doing. I'm going to put my primers in first. Pretty much mostly use the Natural Radiance base. I do want the pink one for my rosy clients. For clients that I feel like have more dry skin, I use the Studio Radiance because it's extremely moisturizing and illuminating. I also have the new Hyper Real Serumizer that just came out. We also have the Fix Plus Stay Over Spray. This is the official setting spray. The Laura Mercier setting powder. For my deeper skin tone clients, I like to use the Fenty Honey Pro Filter powder. I need the bigger version of this one because I'm running out, but I did get this one as a sample and I've been using it and it works amazing. And it also smells really good too. But yeah, I have these two for now. For my highlighters, I have Glow With It, Whisper of Guilt, and Show Gold, a pack of travel size makeup wipes. I actually only have 4 of these palettes. We'll keep them on the palette side. I like to put my smaller products in this bag right here. This one's the P. Louise base. I really want to get like the other ones that they have, but I just haven't bought them yet. It's a lighter base. It does work on pretty much every skin tone. The lighter the base that you use, the more pigment you'll get out of your eyeshadows. We have waterproof mascara. I'll also put in my Too Faced glitter glue just in case I have any clients that want glitter. I'll go ahead and bring my tools, eyeliners, brow products. I have Dip Down. I also bring Black Track with me. This is my all-time favorite eyeshadow called She Sparkles. My aunt just bought me this for Christmas. It's an applicator kind of like station, which I love because before I was putting my applicators in a Ziploc bag. We'll go back to this side and fill up the palettes. I do try to use palettes that I can use for everybody. My blush palette. I thought I had another lip palette, but I think I only have these two and they work for pretty much everybody, so I'll bring those with me. More neutral colors. Another really good palette that I bring with me is the By Mario Master Mattes palette. This is good for everyone, every skin tone, so I like to bring this one too. I also like to bring the Semi Sweet x9 palette by MAC Cosmetics. Pretty similar. It has like more neutral colors. I feel like mattes are really good because a lot of people don't like shimmer, so I'll bring that one too. I'm trying to think of what else besides like brushes and like lipsticks. Usually I ask the clients what makeup look they want beforehand so I know what products to bring, what to pull from my plethora of lipsticks. This is also really important. So I bring this case around everywhere I go. It has like a clear brow gel, pretty much the basic necessities, a mini scissors to clip lashes. I also have a pencil sharpener in here. This one's from Target. I don't recommend a regular school pencil sharpener, but just have all of my lip pencils and my brow pencils. So I have ones that you can sharpen. This case is actually from, I want to say Amazon, and I also sometimes use it as like a brush holder when I take it out. So that actually helps out a lot because I know which brushes are clean and which ones are dirty. Also some lash glue. I do bring a clear one with me as well as a black one because the clear one sometimes I use for gems and rhinestones. That works. Okay, so it looks like that. I'll probably just keep this one. I feel like nothing can fit in this right here. Oh, yeah, it works. If I really need to, I'll bring my rhinestones and then also the applicator just in case anybody wants to be fancy. I'm just grabbing products because I'm forgetting that it's not in my kit. But this one right here, Pro Foundation Palette from MAC, you can find on the MAC Cosmetics website or at a pro store. Although it's a foundation palette, I do like to use it for cream contour. I'll also use a hygienic cleanser spray. This one is, this girl got the life squeezed out of her because, yeah. I like to keep this one, my brushes, just to clean them. Also made a little spray bottle with alcohol spray. That way I can sanitize lipsticks or anything that needs to be pretty much sanitized, anything that is a cream. Other than that, I think that's pretty much it. I will bring other palettes, like I said, just in case if I need them. I also bring paper towels too. I cut up paper towels into little squares. I do bring sponges with me sometimes, disposable ones that look like the little triangle squares. I don't bring a whole lot. I try not to. I'm not a huge fan of this makeup bag, but for what it was worth and when I bought it, it worked for me. I'm gonna have to look for other bags and like suitcases because I feel like it just gets all jumbled up when I'm carrying it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned a few tips and tricks and some products that you want to use. Yeah, I think that's about it. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't. Comment down below what video you guys want to see next. You can also give me some suggestions for my makeup kit. That would really help a lot. I know I watch a bunch of different pro MUA's videos on organization. I need to do a better job at organizing. I just haven't taken the time yet, like to really organize it. But I think that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video.